Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Cuisinart CGG180T Petit Gourmet Portable Tabletop Propane Gas Grill, a compact powerhouse perfect for your outdoor cooking adventures. This portable grill boasts a 145 square inch grilling area, allowing you to cook up to 8 burgers, 8 steaks, 6 to 10 chicken breasts, or even 4 pounds of fish, making it ideal for small gatherings or family meals. Equipped with a powerful 5,500 BTU stainless steel burner, it ensures even heating across its porcelain-enameled grate, delivering perfectly cooked meals every time. The grill's aluminum legs and stabilizing feet set up in seconds, while the integrated lid lock keeps everything secure during transport. With its pronounced briefcase-style carrying handle and a lightweight design at just 13.5 pounds, it's incredibly easy to take this grill wherever your culinary adventures lead. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or just enjoying a day at the park, the Cuisinart Petit Gourmet Grill is your go-to solution for delicious outdoor cooking. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and outdoor cooking tips. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.